2001 Honda Accord, towed in last week for a no start. We're going to figure out what it needs. See if it's got injector signal. Whoa, what do we got going here? Look, you need to see this. So if you'll see this, there's a loose wire there, duct tape on wires here. Oh God, what a mess. Pull all this crap out. I don't know who's been in here, but it's not good. So somebody yanked that connector apart, that distributor connector apart. So that's where we get to start. Alright, so this is the harness coming from the distributor, and luckily somebody was smart enough to number these wires. I'm imagining these are numbers of the connector. One, there's two, there's three, and there's four. It's a 4-wire connector, typically a square connector. So what we can do is we can take, assuming that these wires are colored right, we can match them up with the wiring diagram to these wires. These wires are also numbered. I don't know if they're numbered correctly, but there are numbers on those plugins. So let's see about getting those things wired back up the way it's supposed to be, and see if we can't get some fire in this thing. Schematic for it. This is the distributor right here. So connector 1, pin 2, pin 3, and then pin 4, and then here's the wiring schematic for those. So let's print this out. That's got good power. Let's check the ground. That's the black one right here. Okay, we got good ground. Test light's over on positive, and that's showing good ground there. So our other two circuits is a yellow-green, which is cut off way down here on the bottom. Way down here, right at the very bottom of this harness here. That's the yellow-green. That's the one it's the ignition input signal. So we look here, focus. The ignition input signal is the yellow-green. That's that one cut off way down there. So that leaves us just the yellow, and the yellow comes off of the cylinder position, basically the cam sensor signal. So, which would be pin 3 on the distributor. Pin 3 on the distributor is a orange-blue. So let's get that yellow-green wire lengthened a bit. And we're not going to get connector for this distributor, so I'm just going to hardwire it in just to make it work, and then we'll see if we can't make this distributor spark. Okay, so it's all fixed. I didn't show you what I did there because nobody wanted to watch the mess that I had to fix. So Basically, I took the distributor out so that I could trace the distributor side of the harness into the actual components of the distributor. He had it marked completely wrong based on if you go by the schematic that it comes with, it was not labeled that way. I don't know what he was thinking. He had his own theory of where they should have gone, but they were wrong. So it's not perfect. It's wired together based on the components that are in the distributor. I got the distributor back in. Plug wires are in. Cap is all set. So let's go see if we can make this thing start. Obviously got the harness right. Alright, so we had a no start, no spark. Found the wiring for the distributor was all messed up, cut off and broken off into the loom. We lengthened up the broken wires, spliced them together with the distributor in the right order, got spark, and now it runs. Doesn't run bad.